Hello guys, it's photography hapa hivi, and today I'll be showing you how to do eye whitening. So first things first, what you're gonna do is duplicate these on your keyboard. Unafinya Alt Control Shift and E if the things that you want to be duplicated ziko kwa group. After it's done, the next thing that you're gonna do is just come here to this adjustment layer. Then after hapo you come here to hue and saturation. Unakuja hapa kwa kitu inaitwa reds. The reds you minimize them up to kitu 40, kitu 80 I mean. Then una adjust to kitu 50, maybe 50 will be just okay. Then unakuja tena kwa yellows cause most of the time unapatanga macho is consist of reds and yellows. So after hapo maybe the same stuff, 80 to 50, yeah, just like that. Then you make sure this layer mask is selected. Then on your keyboard unafinya control I to inverse. Then unaweza zoom in kidogo, just like that. Then you check your brush and you start applying the effect. Yeah, nice. Just like that, bro. Before, after, just like that. It's so simple.